Today we are going to study types of adjectives. Fifth type and sixth type. Last type. Interrogative adjectives and possessive adjectives. Interrogative adjectives is nothing but an adjective that is used to ask a question. That adjective which is used to ask question is called interrogative adjective. Whatever the adjective that is used to ask question, WH words. In this, interrogative adjectives are also known as WH words. These are used to ask questions. Okay. Who, what, which, whom, where are examples of interrogative adjectives. Whose book is this? Whose book is this? Here, whose is interrogative adjective that comes before a noun. That comes before a noun. Okay, this you have to remember in interrogative adjective. This WH words always comes before noun. Here, which pen is yours? Which pen is yours? Here, pen is noun and interrogative adjective which comes before noun. This is known as interrogative adjective. And what flower is that? What flower is that? Here, flower is noun and the word which comes before this noun, WH word. Whatever the WH word that comes before the noun, this is known as interrogative adjective. And interrogative pronoun, already you have learned in the earlier classes, interrogative pronoun and interrogative adjective, a slight difference. Here, these words, WH words, comes before verb. When the WH word comes before verb, auxiliary verbs or any verb, that word, WH words are known as interrogative pronouns. And when WH words comes before noun, these words are known as interrogative adjectives. Okay. Next, coming to possessive adjective. Possessive means belonging to or showing its ownership. Adjectives that show possession or belonging are called possessive adjective. For example, this is my toy or this is your toy. This is my toy or this is your toy. Here, what is toy here? Noun. And whatever the word that comes that is describing, that is showing its ownership, my or your, this is my toy, this is your toy, or this is his toy, his, my, your. This all comes under possessive adjective. That words are describing the toy and showing their ownership. Okay, that is my pen. Here noun is pen and it is describing my pen. It is showing its ownership, my pen, or that is his pen, that is her pen. Okay, showing their ownership. These words are known as possessive adjectives. Okay, my hair is black. Hair is noun here, and whose hair is it? My hair. My is possessive adjective, and here you have to remember one thing. Possessive adjective always answer a question. Whose toy is this? This is your toy. This is my toy. This is his toy. And second one, whose pen is that? That is my pen. That is her pen. That is his pen. You are answering the question whose. Whatever the question, you are answering whose, that comes under possessive adjective. And third, whose hair is black? Whose hair is black? My hair is black. Here showing position. Whose hair? My hair. These all are possessive adjectives. Okay, understood? Interrogative adjectives, WH words. WH words that comes before noun, and these are describing words, interrogative adjectives that comes before nouns and ask questions. It is used to ask question. And possessive adjective always shows its possession or ownership. And here it comes before noun and it shows their ownership. I hope you all understand interrogative adjective and possessive adjective. Try to write more examples, practice these sentences, identify yourself and try to write this same mode of examples and repeat. Okay, practice. Thank you.